Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media, and a hi welcome to those who are new to this channel. And if you would like to be a member to my YouTube channel, please I insist you to hit that bell button, smash that subscribe button if you would like to know some of the YouTube stuff that I teach on YouTube. So on this channel, I teach you how to make money online, improve your video quality, grow your YouTube channel, and other YouTube stuffs. Please, if you want to know more about how to grow your YouTube channel, please I insist you to hit that bell button, subscribe, and also enable the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I upload any video. And I also remind you that I'm on other social medias like Facebook. On Facebook, I have my Facebook page and my Facebook group. Please go there and search Carine Tech Media. It's like YouTube group, but it's on Facebook. So I post all my videos that I upload here on YouTube. If you don't want to see them on YouTube, you can go and see them on Facebook. On Instagram, I also have an account there. You go and search Carine Tech Media and they will bring my videos to you. And also TikTok. I know that you do like TikTok so much. So I also upload my short videos on TikTok. You can also go and follow me up and please like my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add tags to YouTube videos. No matter if you don't have a computer or a laptop, please, I've got for you this video to use your mobile phone. So you can also add tags using your mobile phone, and which is very possible and easy. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add tags to YouTube videos using your mobile phone, and also showing you some websites and apps that you can use to generate those tags and put them in your YouTube videos. Whether you have already uploaded the video or you haven't uploaded it, you can add those tags there. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. And you can see that I'm in my YouTube studio on one of my videos that I uploaded to YouTube earlier. It has spent like 2 months. So what you're going to do, you're in the settings, of this video. You're going to click there. Let me zoom and you see. Here where there is show more, there inside there is paid, promotion, tags, subtitles, and more. So you click there on show more. Show more. And then you're going to scroll down where you're going to see tags. Finally, you have reached in the tags tab. So here in the tags tab, you can add from any tag to 500 tags. So there are many. To add tags, you type like any word. That video was about making money online. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write like one tag, make money online. So after you hit enter, and the tag will be created. Many more. So you can't type all of them and you finish them up to 500 or like 400. What you're going to do, I am going to take you directly to some of my websites that I use. So this first one is the one that I mostly trust to give me some updated and good tags to add to my YouTube videos. So you sign up if you haven't signed up, or you log in if you already have an account there. So you're going to fill your information and then you sign up. So for mine, I've already got an account there. I will log in. So after logging in, they're going to show you some of the information about your YouTube channel. So after, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and go where there is keyword opportunities. So you're going to go there. maybe you write make money online, hit enter. Yeah, and then they are going to show you the search volume on YouTube. So to bring those tags, you might know, are they being searched by many people? You can see that the volume is very high, but the competition of those people making those videos about the making money online is medium. So if you see that the search volume is very high, you must copy those tags. So they are like titles, but they are tags. You take them as tags. So because they are showing the search volume on here on how to make money online is 1 million plus. So you copy and then copy those 3 tags. So this one can also help you to get the video title, video ideas. So this video IQ is very, very nice. So you copy all the tags, go to the related tags, then you click on related keywords to see all the keywords that you can use apart from those ones, and also copy. So you can keep on putting some words like any video title, like any tag you want, and then some of the options or some of the same tags come, and then you copy them. That second website or online website or application that we can get or we can generate the tags from is RapidTags. So that app RapidTags is for free, completely for free, because you just use those tags. You click there on use tools for free. You don't need to sign up, do anything. You just click on use tools for free. And then after, they are going to link where to enter your text, YouTube video title to generate tags. So you choose some or you delete some tags that they are like common there, they are like the same. So after realizing that you have removed unwanted tags, you have remained with the one that you want, you click on copy. You copy those tags. Tags Buddy, it's an application that I personally have in my mobile phone. So this Tags Buddy can also help you generate keyword for your video or those tags. So you can see they have brought for you many tags as possible for you to use. So here you choose the ones, because they bring you more than 500. So for you not to exceed, you just choose the ones that you might use. You choose some of them that you are seeing that will generate viewers and subscribers for you. Then after, you copy the tags. After copying the tags, you go back to the YouTube studio. So here we are going to YouTube studio. After seeing all those applications and websites that you can use to generate the tags, you go back to the YouTube video that you want to add those tags from. So after, because you had already left, you can click on show more. Then you go to the tags. section, and then the tags will be there where you're going to click on copy. Then you hit enter. They have exceeded, so we are going to delete some because they have exceeded to 500. There are 514. Yeah, now you have added some tags to YouTube videos. So adding those tags will help you to get more viewers to your YouTube videos, and this tip many people don't know about it. So this is how we add tag to a YouTube video, and after click on save. So you can see that those tags were added there, and you're going to see them if you go to the YouTube. You can see that adding tags to YouTube videos is very easy and it's for free. So those websites that I have showed you, they are for free. Whether you want to make it online when you're uploading your video, whether you want to make it after uploading your video, it can work. And many videos on YouTube are growing because they add tags. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, smash that subscribe button, enable the notification button so that you can always be notified wherever I upload any video or any of my future videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and hope to meet you in the next video where I'm going to be showing you another tip to grow on YouTube.